And you can already tell the champion is coming to this non-title match confident, maybe a little bit cocky.
Oh, when you're the champ, you're entitled to be cocky. She's the top dog right now, and the rest of the division runs on her time.
Well, if she's not careful, her time as the top dog could be up sooner rather than later.
Then we've got a woman who is here to prove that just because you have a title does not mean you are untouchable. She's got the champ squarely in her sights.
And that's exactly why this promises to be an incredibly exciting match.
And able to evade the offense.
Read that one.
So much might and force behind that maneuver. An absolutely impressive show of power.
That'll rearrange the spine. She's really starting to feel the effects of this match.
Yeah, but she's not showing any signs of giving up.
Pure punishment and power on display here, people.
She's out of the ring. The referee's count will begin soon. She's back in the ring now. Gar scraping over the eyes.
Big stomp. And now with complete control of a fallen opponent, a vicious series of stomps into the hammerlock. And cranking at the other arm. Now this is agonizing. Gets the knees up. Incredible wherewithal.
She fights back with the counter. Catches the leg.
Stop cold with a clothesline.
To the face. Had that one telegraphed. Drop kick.
Right on the money.
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at her. Oh, just driving that knee to the gut.
Each shot landing with a little bit more venom. Just teeing off with that fight forever vibe.
Clearly now being fueled by a righteous fury, and this bloodthirsty crowd is loving it.
Targets the gut to end the offense. It's that time.
Uh-oh. She manages to maneuver herself out of harm's way.
Things have been fraught between these competitors for weeks. But you have to notice how tensions have risen even more recently. Nothing seems to be off limits at this point, and that's not a good thing. Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the official's count. Blast off! Oh, hold on. Things turn around quickly. And gets tossed back into the mat. And now she's making it to the top rope here.
Launching.
Oh, diving cross body.
Man. These two are firing off on each other, man. Oh.
The competitors backing down.
No one is holding back here. Going all out.
Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up. Toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags. Fillet your chest.
Oh, that was a severe miscalculation.
Here it comes.
Gotta make the most of it now.
Quick cover for the win.
2 count. Oh, she's still alive.
Powering out of the pin. Was that merely instinct or something more?
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away. Gets lifted into position. Launched into a roundhouse kick. Setting up for something here. The knees to the lungs. Turning it into a pin for the win. Oh, slam. Taking a lot of offense here.
Can she recover from this? That is the question.
Gotta respect the strategy to work over the arm. Oh, crossbody wipes them out. It's that time.
Looks to climb the top rope. Oh, my God.
We just saw her take her best shot, and now she needs to follow it up.
Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed. Perhaps worth it now. We got someone standing by to get their thoughts.
If only this crowd would show a little decor.
I gotta say, that's what it's all about.